Welcome to ADT Sharda Bai Pawar Mahila Arts Commerce Science College Sharda Nagar Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you subject secretarial practice, in which we are learning chapter number 6, correspondence with the member. So students, in last video we had seen the letter writing for the dividend payment. Now further letter from this chapter is issue of bonus shares. So before going on the letter writing, just I want to explain what is bonus shares. Bonus share is a share which is given to equity shareholders at free of cost. Why it is given? It is given because the company has earned handsome, means ample amount of profit during 2-3 financial year. So to make them shareholder happy, the company decide to issue the bonus shares in the proportion of equity shares already held by them. So for issuing the bonus shares, the shareholder will not pay any extra cost. However, he or she will earn the dividend on that bonus shares annually, like which is paid on the existing equity shares. So bonus shares is always issued to the shareholder on a fully paid basis. So it is one kind of appreciation to the shareholder for doing or giving the huge contribution or valuable contribution in the growth and development of the company. So let's learn, students. The letter writing, in which you can see on the top name and address and corporate identity number is given, and left corner phone, fax and reference number is given, right corner website, email and date of letter is given. Again in the left corner below the reference number, name and address of the shareholder is mentioned. So these all are the imaginary number or information which you can by heart either of one of the letter, and you can use it forever for in all your letter writing. Now the title will be issue of bonus shares, and now say shareholder is a lady or she is a female, so dear madam is a salutation is used, and after that the explanation is given. So this letter is basically written by the company secretary. So he write the letter on behalf of the company to the shareholders. So let's see what is written in the letter. I am directed by the board of directors to inform you that in accordance with the resolution passed in the extraordinary general meeting. So student, you know the bonus share is extra special case. So for this annual general meeting is not mandatory. Mandatory is a extraordinary general meeting. So they have to hold the extraordinary general meeting for declaring and announcing the issue of bonus share. So secretary is informing to the shareholder that secretary is being informed by the board of directors to convey the message to the shareholder that the resolution is passed in the extraordinary general meeting of the company, which is held on 14th October 2019. Shareholder unanimously, means together, one side, unanimously means on one side only, shareholders unanimously approved the recommendation of board of director to issue the bonus shares. Bonus shares are issued in the ratio of 1:1. So means one existing for one existing equity shares, one bonus share will be given. That is one additional equity shares for every equity share held as on record date of 13th October 2019. Further detail of the letter is given, student. The detail of issue of bonus shares, number of share held by that shareholder in record 25, number of bonus share will be allotted 25, DP ID and client ID number. So it is written here in the both column. and date of credit of demat account. So whatever the bonus share is will be given to that shareholder will be credited. If he or she is having demat account, it will be credited to directly demat account. And the company has complied with the provision for the issue of bonus shares. The bonus share issued will rank pari passu exactly same. So whatever the treatment is given to the existing equity shareholder, same treatment will be given to the bonus shareholder also. So it is a equally ranked pari passu with the existing equity shares. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, for Yash Industry Limited. Sign, name of secretary and signature. So we are done with the bonus letter, bonus issue share letter. Now the next important and last important letter from this chapter is resolving the query on low rate of dividend. So student, this is one of the case where the shareholder is not happy with the rate of dividend which is announced. So now he have asked the questions to the company, and now the secretary is replying on his question. So let's see. Registered office 31st Tulsi Tower, Bandra East, Mumbai 400050. Corporate identity number, left right corner the information is all the time you can see it's same, and the name and address of the shareholder is given imaginary, and then the subject line is resolving query on the low rate of dividend made by the company. So dear sir, this is to inform you that, okay, so this is to inform you that as per the your letter dated 15th April 2019. So that shareholder has given letter to the company on 15th of April. So I am hereby authorized to resolve your query. So that person is, means secretary is saying that secretary is giving the permission to resolve the query regarding the low rate of dividend by the company to their faithful members. So the reason for the low rate of dividend is mentioned below. So here the secretary will mention the reason why dividend is paid very less this year. So you can see what is given here, that during the last year due to the flood, company factory situated at Mahim, due to lots of water logging and flooding, the company's factory which is situated in Mahim, Mumbai, was not in a condition to operate in a full-fledged manner, in a complete manner. So this is one of the reason for the low rate of dividend, so that the company could not perform and earn the good profit. Second reason is that due to such unavoidable circumstances, it is an uncertain situation which was happened with the company, and it's a natural disaster, and due to that lots of financial loss is there, was done, incurred by the company. So financial loss is being incurred by the company. Third is that due to such circumstances, board of director has decided to transfer the rupees 12.5 crores to general reserve. Yes, so due to this bad situation, the company has decided that lots of amount will be kept safe to face the future challenges. So company has decided to keep 12.5 crore as a general reserve, which is the 50% of more amount transferred to the reserve last year. So which is very huge amount compared to the last year's reserve fund. So hope you will be satisfied by the above information as provided by the company. So secretary is saying that you are satisfied with the information provided by the company, and we assure you, we giving you guarantee that the company will easily come over from such unavoidable circumstances and will deliver the much better dividend in the coming years. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, for Shree Cement Industry Limited. Sign and name of secretary is given. So this is the letter, and this is the last letter from this chapter, students. Here we have completed our sixth chapter as well, and you are requested to note down these two letters as well in your SP notes book. And if any doubt is there, we will discuss this in mid session. Till then, thank you and bye bye.